Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change language in Disney Plus. So if you see, we are here on website that will explain you just that. So if you're on Android or iPhone or even on your computer, it's pretty much the same. Hover over your video that you're watching. So let's say you're watching a video or a movie, for example, or episode, right? You can see here turning red. That's basically the movie. And then you can see here you have an icon. If you hover over it or if you hover with your mouse over it, you will have this icon. Click on that icon and then you can choose your preferred language under that icon. Now on your PC, it's pretty much the same. It will look like this, right? You just go here, you click on that icon, and then you will be able to change the settings like this right here. Now, if you want, you can also edit profile, and then you can go to app language and change the app language of the entire app basically. That's pretty much it. Very simple, very straightforward. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, definitely comment down below because we will help you out with any concerns that you have. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next Disney Plus tutorial.